Mike Heavican has served the public as the Lancaster County Attorney, U.S. Attorney, and for the past 18 years, he topped the state's legal ladder as the Chief Justice of the Nebraska Supreme Court.
Earlier this week, the 77-year-old sat down with our KETV News Watch 7's Andrew Ozaki to talk about his retirement and his long career.
When Mike Heavican hangs up his robe at the end of October, the farm kid who graduated from Schuyler Community High School will have been the second longest serving Supreme Court Chief Justice in Nebraska history.
This is a dream job for anybody, any lawyer certainly, but I'll be proud of the accomplishments that everybody had while I was Chief Justice.
One accomplishment, trying to make what some call the forgotten branch of government more visible and accessible to the public.
In this day and age, people need to understand and appreciate what the judiciary is and why you need to have a sound, functioning judiciary, or you simply will not have a democracy.
Heavican resumed annual State of the Judiciary addresses to the legislature, expanded cameras in the courtroom, webcasting of proceedings, and even taking some Supreme Court hearings on the road to high schools across the state. Days after taking office, he gave KETV News Watch 7's Rob McCartney an exclusive behind-the-bench look at the High Court.
The sense of history has it hit you yet?
Once in a while it does, but I try not to let it overwhelm me.
Heavican has placed an emphasis on how children are treated in the court system, streamlining child welfare cases and bolstering training and expectations for guardian ad litems.
The Supreme Court doesn't emphasize that. Our trial court judges won't emphasize that.
He pushed to modernize the courts using technology for e-filing and using video streaming for hearings.
If we had not started that process before the pandemic, we would have been in great trouble.
He's also been an advocate for juvenile justice reform, probation, and expanding problem-solving courts.
I heard people talk about how this had changed their lives, saved their families, and so forth. I became a big advocate and supporter.
Attorneys on both sides of the gavel believe he's been fair and apolitical in his tenure. Heavican wishes more could have been accomplished on justice reform and creating a simplified one-tier trial court system.
I think I gave it my very best, and I'm very comfortable and confident that whoever follows me will do a very good job.
Andrew Ozaki, KETV News Watch 7.